Hi, to manage Google Wallet on your OnePlus Nord 3, you will need to swipe up to open the list of apps, and here use the search bar to just find the wallet app. And now, as a first step, we can add payment card here. Just tap the option, then tap new credit or debit card, and here you would need to add details of your card. After that, you can learn how to tap to pay. So just check these on-screen instructions and also check the option to add a card. Now we just need to go in the automatically add passes to wallet from Gmail, and here make sure that you have right Gmail account. If not, you can tap the option to add account and remove the previous one. And also you can check the wallet tips by tapping this option. And now if we tap on the plus, we would be able to add something to wallet. It could be not just payment cards, it could be a gift card, loyalty card, or even photos. So we can create a digital pass from a photo of a barcode or QR code. So just tap which one suits you better, and after that, enter its details. You can always tap on your profile icon and here check some information, for example, payment setup. After that, you can turn on NFC for contactless payments and set up payment card, of course. And here you can see the finished tasks. So yeah, that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.